Last time on Life with Neek. Guys, say hi to Debbie.
Hey,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna dive in, guys. I took my bath. I'm nice and clean. My robe is freshly washed. Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning, guys. I just woke up, so I wanted to show you guys what I do in the mornings when I get up during me being sick. I have this mix-up concoction I had showed you in our previous video. This is it right here. So I take a teaspoon of this. Focus. Anyways, a teaspoon of this, and hold on one second. And I add it in a hot cup of water. So this is what it looks like. You see all that stuff in there swirling around? That stuff is good. It helps you. And then the green juice from Cindy. She told me to do this in the mornings, and that's what I've been doing. I feel great. I feel amazing. And yeah, guys, I'm going to sit down and drink my tea. I'm watching my vlogs on the TV. Well, hubby was watching it. So I'm just going to sit down and enjoy my tea and drink my green juice. And then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, we are here. Remember I told you guys I was gonna drink my tea and my green drink. I did that. I'm feeling a little hungry now, so I'm going to, well, hubby's warming up some of the soup that he made yesterday. Yeah, so we're gonna drink some. Yeah, so we're gonna drink soup. And guys, it is raining outside. It's pouring. Let me show you guys. Look at Erie, guys.
now I see why this is extreme.
Watcha? You go around here to catch them.
Yo, this door, you can strap
Easier one?
Yeah.
Guys, it is
Okay.
pouring rain outside.
He said get an easier one.
I don't want to have too much move. Tired already, sir.
Alright, I'm choosing an easy one. Here, that's what you do.
Bro,
So it can count as your points too.
no, where's our dance one?
Alright,
Ready for much, though, because I added up one leg.
and why? I'm doing this one. The one that I got superstar on.
Watcha? Kick off all the shoes. Ready now, Anna?
The one I got superstar on.
Can't bother with them, you know? Watcha? Daddy tired already.
Woo.
Yeah, the man said woo.
Go on there, thing, daddy.
Guys, it is pouring outside. Oh my god, let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Raining. I don't think you guys can see it, but yeah, it's raining. We're about to warm up some soup. Hold on, because it's dark.
I will cook tomorrow.
And we're editing and doing all kinds of stuff.
Maybe.
Huh?
I will cook tomorrow. Because I know you're greedy, you know.
No,
So
no.
the soup all done today, so you don't know.
Here it is. Me greedy. And I asked about food for tomorrow, and tomorrow not even reach yet. I'm me greedy. You understand this? It's alright though. I know you ask about food. I make a reservation for food too. What did I say? But yeah, this is where the magic happens. Rashkamar Entertainment. I don't know.
Yeah, man. Oh. I wanna.
Yeah, Rashkamar Entertainment. This is where all the editing and everything goes down right here, guys. Yes. So we're here on this rainy day. We are just going to drink some soup right now and edit some more videos and relax. Today's really just a chill day, guys. Today is a wonderful day actually because I kind of feel somewhat back to normal. And oh, I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you guys so much. Everybody that prayed for us and sent their love and everything. It helped us to get better. I'm feeling good. I want to see if I can go get retested on maybe Friday. I'm not sure because I feel good. I just hope this stinking nasty virus is out of my body and don't ever come back. Yeah, so because man, I can't deal with this again. Lord Jesus, I can't. But yeah, guys, we're pretty much doing great. I text Cindy this morning. I'm like, girl, your stuff, that your remedies, your things that you dropped off for us, everything, man, girl, it really helped us. When I tell you I'm coughing up so much mucus, and that's what your body needs. You need to get that mucus off your chest, off your lungs, you know what I mean? Because that's what makes you feel disgusting and yucky and sick, that dirty nasty mucus. But yeah, so guys, we're just gonna eat some soup and edit some more videos for you guys so we can upload. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing. We're feeling good, baby. How are you feeling?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm good, man.
Yeah, you're feeling better? Yeah, so I'll be a edit and thing. Y'all make sure y'all check out Rashkamar Entertainment
Hi guys,
for all the dancehall videos.
I'm taking a break from playing Just Dance.
And a dancehall, everything, man.
Entertainment, dancehall, live performances, oh, soca, everything. Just entertainment.
What's your name again? The Honduras thing, Honduras,
Music and stuff, yeah.
I mean, a couple of them if you do.
Yeah. Alright, so you guys make sure. Okay.
Yeah,
make sure you guys check that out on Rashkamar Entertainment. You want to say something?
I'm the Just Dance boy.
I'm done. I'm done. Alright, guys, so just stay tuned. We'll see what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day. If we don't get into anything, then I'll just probably close out the vlog. But yeah, you guys stay tuned, y'all.
They're gonna get into some